Hello everyone, this is Yvonne from Trucking Up 404. In today's video, I'll be covering several companies that are looking for independent contractor courier. First company I would like to present is called Fluid Trucks. Fluid Trucks provide small businesses with on-demand flexibility for short to medium-term vehicle rentals. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be transporting to and from vehicles to clients. If you're interested in applying to this company, I will leave the link in the description below this video. I'm strolling down so you can see the services that they provide. So if you're interested in this opportunity, you will know if it's available in your service area. They have Atlanta, Dallas-Fort Worth, Denver, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, New York City, San Antonio, San Diego, and San Francisco. Now, if you're interested, all you need to do is click on Find Your Next Job. Once you click on Find Your Next Job, you go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and filter it to all the way, click on Transportation, so you can get an idea of what independent contractor position they're currently looking to fill. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the Fort Lauderdale, so you can get an understanding of the pay and the hours. So this position in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, is $25 an hour. They are a 24/7, 365-day, they operate on mobile device. They also, the requirements as I stroll down there, you must be 21 of age, and you must have a driver's license and a clean driver's record. And you must have a smartphone to be able to use their app. There's no experience necessary. So if you're interested, you go ahead and click on I'm interested, and you can also email your resume. Now, with this company, if you do not have a vehicle such as a cargo van or a car, you can lease out their trucks. And I'm strolling over so you can see they do have cargo vans available. Currently, I do not see a car, but it depends on the state. I'm searching within my state. So if you're interested in even leasing out a van or a box truck, you can do that as well through the app. Now, the next company I would like to present is called Crosstown. Crosstown is looking for cars and light truck operators. What you're going to be doing, you're going to be transporting packages, documents, and boxes. And you must drive your own car and light truck as an independent contractor. You can make between $350 to $700 per week. You must work between the hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and they do have weekend and nights options available. If you're interested in this company, all you need to do is click on the apply online. Now, the next company I would like to present is called Laundry Heat. They're currently looking for independent contractor couriers. You must have your own personal vehicle. So what you do, you will select your own slots, and then they will pay you weekly payments. And you can also become a partner. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply as a delivery partner. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on the country, so you can see the available opportunities. As you can see, they have several opportunities in the Boston area, Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, San Francisco, Washington, D.C. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Chicago, so you can get a understanding of what the opportunity that they are looking for. Now, there is an onboard application, which is like 30 to 60 minutes long. And if you're interested in applying to this company, all you need to do is scroll down and fill out the information. Now, with this company, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be picking up and delivering laundry. So if you're interested in this company, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, the next company I would like to present is called Apple Logistics. Now, Apple Logistics is in the Atlanta area. So they're looking for independent contractor carriers to be able to pick up and deliver packages. You can use a SUV, minivan, cargo van, sprinter van. Now, the requirements, you must be 21 of age. And you also must have a pallet jack to remove the material effectively on and off the vehicle. And Also, it mentions the the insurance requirement. You must have 1 million liability with 100 cargo insurance, and you need to have a DOT and an MC authority. Now, if you're interested in applying to this company, you fill out this information and you go ahead and click on the submit button. Now, these are the cities within the Atlanta area only that they provide service. So if you're in these areas, there's opportunity for you, like Decatur, Buckhead, Jonesboro, North Cross, and Sandy Springs, and there's much more, like Stone Mountain. So if you like this video, if you have any questions, you all please do ask, and you all have a good day.